How to fix Facebook post share problem. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be discussing why you might be facing the problem of share on your Facebook app. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, go to the search bar on the top and search for Facebook app. Now check for any updates that may be available. If there are updates available, then tap on Update to update your app. Now open Settings on your device and turn on your airplane mode. After some time, turn it off. This can help build up your network. Also, go to your Wi-Fi section and make sure you have a good internet connection. After doing that, scroll down and tap on General. Inside General, click on iPhone storage. Now here again, go to the search bar and search for Facebook. Once searched, tap on Offload app to clear any cache. So after following these troubleshooting steps, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.